Here is a brand new construction in the Smokies that you'll want to make yours at 409 Deer Path Lane in Gatlinburg. Boasting spectacular mountain views from every room, this custom-built mountain cabin offers 3 bedrooms and 3 baths on 3 levels for a total of 3,400 square feet, offering excellent floor plans throughout and allowing everyone to take in that view. With all high-end fixtures and finishes, tongue and groove construction throughout, exposed beams, recessed lighting, and more, there's so much to experience. You'll enjoy 3 stone fireplaces, inside and outside on the covered decks. In the island kitchen, the chef is well served with all stainless steel appliances, topped off with counters of granite. Of course, your bedrooms are private and spacious. The large master en-suites look out on the mountains and are equipped with large custom stone showers as well as a soaker tub. Take in many hours of entertainment in the game room with video as well as your own pool table. Enjoy the stadium seating in your own expansive media room. Step outside to your choice of 3 decks and take in the Great Smoky Mountains. Luxuriate your time away in the large family-sized hot tub. With million-dollar views from a secluded location in the mountains and excellent potential on your investment, you should see 409 Deer Path Lane in Gatlinburg. Call Nikki Thomas with Ogle Cushman Real Estate Group direct at 865-406-8384.